all going today?
Good.
Good. Also, my name is Jan. I'm gonna be the tram guide for today. Ride-up's gonna be about 7.5 minutes here. If you guys do have questions, just let me know. Right at the bottom station here, we're about 1,300 meters above sea level. And once we get to the top station, we're gonna be about 2,300 meters above sea level. Just about 1,000 meters difference there, guys.
Alright.
So scary.
So again, guys, ride-up's gonna be about 7.5 minutes. We're traveling about 6.5 meters per second. That's about 23 kilometers an hour. If you guys are wondering, right at the bottom to the top, we could hike the whole mountain. If you guys saw that, just going up the road here, there is a fire that goes up. It's the Whistler's Trail. It takes about 2 to 3 hours hike, or about 6.6 kilometers total. And if you're wondering how the SkyTram works here, once we left the bottom station, the other car leaves the top station. Just always going back and forth here.
What are you talking about? Say hi. Nothing.
If you guys look back there, we can see the old town of Jasper now. Small town, shaped like a J. Our town of Jasper owns about 5,000 local people. Additional to that, we got 2,000 to 5,000 seasonal workers, like with myself and all my co-workers here. And if you guys look over on the right hand side here, we got the Whistler's campground. One of the biggest campgrounds here in the Canadian Rockies. And just right across that road, we got the Wapiti campground. Right, as we go past the tower, guys, there will be a slight swing.
All tight. All tight.
All tight. Alrighty, guys, that's about it.
That's it.
And if you guys look down too, we got the danger sign right there. That is part of the trail going up. And if you guys look up, you can see the other tramway just coming down. And once you go past it, that will mark our halfway point.
That's so far away.
Wow.
We're going fast.
Right next to Jasper, guys, we got the Athabasca River. It's the milky green color. Those rivers are pretty much a glacier bed. There's a glacier salt right beneath those rocks. Pretty much all sediment flowing out. That's why they're all milky green color. So that river is cold year round because of that, and pretty much it's all been flowing from the Icefield Parkway.
You got that?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, guys. If you guys are looking for fun activities, that's the place to go. We got some swift water rafting adventures during the summertime to do out there. It's pretty cool. One of the top experiences I would definitely recommend for all tourists here. If you guys have noticed too, we just passed the tree line. We are now in the Alpine Zone. Nice to see a tree at the top here. They're about 200 years old. They grow about a millimeter every year. So yeah, it's because of the pressure and the elevation. So yeah, it makes the trees harder to grow.
I'm gonna be born.
Does the SkyTram go year round? No, it doesn't. We only operate until from October until March till October.
So summer is the vista, the viewpoint only?
Yeah. Just because this is not pretty much, we can't operate during the winter time. This month it's not skiable and there's no point.
So how's the schedule of the maintenance of this?
We do scheduled maintenance every day.
Every day?
Yeah. we did have rock slides a few years back, like 4 years ago. That's what they said. Yeah.
I want this one right now.
Alright guys, a few important notes before we dock here. On the main level we got a gift shop and a restaurant. We've also got a boardwalk that goes around the property. That boardwalk shows you guys all the photos of the names of the lakes, mountains and all that. If you guys are interested in those 3 beautiful green lakes, I'll show you the names out there. And once you guys leave that boardwalk, that will lead you to the Full Summit Hike Trail. Just be assured guys, you guys will be in Parks Canada land. So please abide by the rules. Do not pick any flowers, rocks or anything. Just because it will be a big fine if they caught you, take up rocks. You don't want to be paying $25,000 for that.
Wait, Julia, wait. Wait for your turn.
Kaso nalulula ako.